Hello, boys and girls. It's Mrs. LaSalle. While you're at school with Mrs. Snyers, Miss Shaw and I are at a workshop. I'm going to talk to you today about how to use the traffic light strategy. You're going to use this traffic light strategy to work on your look back and right after you watch this video. Let's remind ourselves of what the traffic light strategy looks like. Okay, so here's our traffic light. Remember, there are 3 parts. You first need to restate the question. After you restate the question, you need to use details and evidence to answer your question. Don't forget about personalizing. Lastly, you need to stop and reread your work. Let's take a closer look. How do you know Rosa and Blanca love each other? Here is what you may respond to that question. I know Rosa and Blanca love each other because they don't argue. They share food and they work together. First, they never argue. They always get along. Second, they shared food, like corn, tomatoes, and chilies. Third, they helped each other pick fruits and vegetables from their garden. I wish my sister and I got along like Rosa and Blanca. Notice that I highlighted each part with the right color. This is what you'll do when you finish your response today. The green shows that I restated the question, the yellow shows that I gave details and evidence, and the blue part is where I personalize. Sometimes good writers add a feeling or connection to their response. It's called personalize. Okay. Don't forget, today when you're working on your look back and write, don't forget to restate the question, give details and evidence to support your response, and personalize. Then the last thing you'll do is stop and reread your work. Okay, let's take a look at your question for today. Okay, here's your question for today. Look back at the story. Name 3 things that Rosa and Blanca planned. After you do your pre-writing, I want you to write your response, first restating, then give details and evidence, then personalize your answer. Don't forget to go over your writing with a green, yellow, and red crayon. Hope you're having a good day.